Hello traders, welcome back to Rise for Freedom. So let's see what happens today. Bitcoin, we break this level over here. Now we are retesting it. If we manage to get above this candle or even better, get a good bullish movement that break this level over here, then we probably gonna have an acceleration on the upper side. Otherwise, on the other case, if we absorb this candle over here, this movement over here, then it's a really bad news and we probably gonna go straight to test this support level and probably even break it. Let's see what happens. So today I did one of the dumbest mistake I ever did in my trading career. So I did two operations, one in Pendle and one in OP. Same story with the new approach. Um, I choose Pendle instead of AVAX because it takes less effort to reach the 2% target. That's it. The mistake was that instead of going short on OP, I mistakenly went long on OP. And when I realized it was already too late, so I saw uh, the trade closed on Pendle, which was a loss. I'm gonna show you. So yeah, yesterday AVAX and OP, it's just break even. It's like 20 cents just because of the fees. Basically break even. But this time OP, it was supposed to be a short position, but it wasn't. So the first trade that closed was Pendle, and I saw the red one on OP and I saw it was a long position. I just closed it and yeah, call it a day. Was so stupid from my side, but yeah, it is what it is. Doesn't matter. So I try to be more careful next time. So yeah, that's it for the operation for today's operation. I did the first test on trade on forex market, and it was insanely painful. I mean, insanely. If you want to torture someone, just let him trade forex, man. It's insane. So we have 261 trade because forex close on weekends, so we have to take out 2 days a week for 12 months, which is more or less 95, 96 days, and 10 days of holidays during the year. So like Christmas, New Year Eve, Hollister, and all kind of holidays. But anyway, we got 43.68% of win rate. Same story, going long. This time I've used 20 pips because it was the most how you say, reasonable uh, amount of, how you say, of pips and percentage that was more, how I'm gonna say, more reliable. Yeah. It take not so much effort and it was consistent 20 pips. I think 20 pips are um, the best, I say, settings for target and stop in Forex. I'm gonna show you why it was a pain because if you take a look at this, majority of my stop just barely kiss my target and then it just go in reverse. But I mean literally, I mean it just kiss it and then go straight to the stop. It was insane. It was insane, guys. It was really painful today. If I traded from yeah, 1st January 24 to 1st January 2025, and it was insane, insane. Um, The problem with trading with Forex in this case was sessions. Uh, uh, I think for long positions, um it is better to wait London session, European session. I don't understand how is this possible, but there is when you go test this type of method, which is doing the same thing over and over, like buying at a specific hour at a specific day, um, is totally different from crypto market. And forex tend to rely a lot more on sessions. I totally see it because usually this was euro dollar. Uh, Sessions impacts a lot the movement. So there was a point in the middle of the test of the challenge, which if it wasn't 2 years ago, if the test was on nowadays, I would really believe there was somebody who tracked my position and just make sure that I went to stop because it was insane. It was insane. At the same time, it's not reliable. I'm going to make other tests, but still, if you wanna use this type of method in Forex, choose a specific zone. Yeah, time zone because it's insane. London session, it's really good for long positions. Uh, the majority of trade I took was uh, midnight, 1 o'clock, more or less. I just give 1 hour of difference between the closing and the opening of the daily candle. But still, if you manage to get really good in one session, in one zone, then just keep it that way. Especially in forex. With cryptos, doesn't really matter. I didn't saw uh, this divergence between time and setups in crypto market. Anytime, any part of the day, in any moment, something can happen. In forex, you must wait some specific. If you want to trade specific stuff, then you must be specific on also on the time you place a trade, and this is important. For the rest, I'll try to be more careful about my trades. I will going to make other tests to see if also with other forex pair the sessions impact and how they impact it. And I'm gonna keep you updated. So bye bye.